Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to disable IPv6 Windows 11 step by step so you can manage your network settings easily. Now let's get started. Step 1, click on Search and type Control Panel, then open it. Control Panel is where Windows keeps all its classic settings, including network options. Step 2, click on Network and Internet. This section handles all your internet connections, Wi-Fi and Ethernet settings. Step 3, click on Network and Sharing Center. Here you can see your active connections, network status, and sharing options. Step 4, click on your current active connection on the right side. This will show details like connection type, speed, and activity. Step 5, click on Properties in the connection window. This opens a list of networking items used by your connection. Step 6, scroll down and uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, also called IPv6. IPv6 is the newer Internet Protocol, and unchecking it disables it for this connection. Step 7, click OK to save your changes. Your settings are now applied and IPv6 is disabled on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more tech tips.